If PayPal is not sending a verification security code via SMS, try these troubleshooting steps. Quick fixes: confirm the phone number on your PayPal account is correct and active. Go to Settings, Phone Numbers, and edit or re-add it if needed. Check your messaging app's spam, blocked, or filtered folders. Wait a few minutes and request the code again. Codes expire quickly. Use the resend or try another way option if available. Disable any VPN or proxy, as these can interfere. Ensure your phone has signal and can receive short code SMS messages, common with banks or PayPal. Contact your mobile carrier and ask them to enable short code texting. Alternative methods: select the option to receive a voice call instead of SMS. If you can log in another way, set up an authenticator app, Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. Under Security, two-step verification has a more reliable primary method.